These guys, they know how to do it. Okay. Yeah. Evening, everyone. Repatriation. Guys, chale chia ne motkari kai or ku reverse ya twatangwesa casket rachona ka one. And then my family members so sina vari kupinda ngawato yagare motkari because apasi sina time isos. Sitora ma grocery apinde motkari chemo. Huh?
Understand the situation you're more. It's not bad. Therefore, now we am saying you keep it taking a sinda or yes. Ninja.
Guys, it's not with us a bus and take the body from the other car, you put it here, and then so that they leave. My brother, I'll address your concerns. And I'll talk to you. Me and you, we have a discussion. We'll solve everything. Huh? Yes, I respect you. You are my customer. Yes. Yeah. That's why I'm talking to you nicely. Me and you, we have a talk after this. Hi, good evening, everyone. We are in, I think it's part of Springs in Johannesburg. We are doing the repatriation for the deceased who is going to Zimbabwe. I'm not sure, but my family members would love to talk to us. We're a bit delayed. I'm going to go on the way, but we are at the scene now. I think you can see everyone is here. I've come with my staff. The vehicles are here. And also the other vehicle, both vehicles, they are here. Guys, remove the blanket and it. Can a body blanket? Can you take off, remove the blanket and the flowers? Yeah. Yeah. Tunga wapinde. Yeah. But yeah, I'm so about my angels. Yeah, chisa ipasi richeka kuslaita. Yeah, tupusha kumashure. Yo mfana, apasi bekukutsira pana pake. Unokuwa? Pisa mkombora yako ka? Rapinda nditi. Right. Yes. Even when mamnoshika ku Zimbabwe, that's the way you must take it. Mawira mapindira right. Yeah, chisa no, someone fana kuita nsokuti blanket ranga chifana kukava pasi futi. Arishike, chiringo cover epamusoro. Yes. Yes, Pakangani. This yes. That's what I was trying to explain. Yes. All right. So now, Ndaraka, can you see this boat of a Catorania could declare? I think family one will check something because I know what is similar to declare. Those is here. But Mningamu now, Barkusuona, Just take the stuff zvese muzvise kubreak kumashure kwekombi koko family iripo handiti chiitei nekukasika tutu taiti zvinzvipinda kumana vanhu vari vepasi yeah. Right, musakangani mapapers ka list, my documents. Right. Hey. Yeah, mpachika ngati yadzoka kuna basa kumashuri. Yes, 100% correct. Listo. Tora mapapers ka family. Check up a list iri kumberi. Kwani ndakaita ma copies already. Oh, all right. No problem. Pane dzimwe hembere dziuye kuti tipinde mutrailer. Mbatya. Kana mune chikafu musazochisa ngachiuye kuko.
Zvavano
handiti hatidoti trailer isovhurwa futi
zvavanotsvaga fast haiwa vanazo
handiti
zvavanotsvaga fast vanazo
right listo ndimande right shamwari tora mapapers mukombi imwe iri kumberi surname indian zviyo surname of the deceased Kuvengwa ya madocuments achina arimo imo front yeah so now apa tapedza nditi takuvhara nditi pane zvimwe zvoda kupindere mutrailer zvakwana nditi vasabheka all right listo Kuvengwa tarisa kune madocuments arokwa yakanzani yes ndiyo iyi inemwe seti yachona inemwe seti ya ari tuma seti madocuments wayo ngabva ngoya izvozvo right saka chicreate space kuti family chigara pafront driver vanogara pafront apa nditi alright choita kuti vapinde motikari vagare manje yeah chakanaka ndechoti vagare zvakanaka yeah handiti alright macheka kuti mapassports enyu munawo here kana mapapers enyu covid munawo handiti manasocheka handiti alright now ndio unogara pamberi na drive handiti ka right ko driver all right inzwa la prefer kuti wada kudhila newe panyaya iyi aiwa akana right mama isusu I think panapa zvese zvaright handiti pane light randaona akadriver rekumberi handiti ndezvenyu izvezvi alright yeah right muri 1 2 3 vachifondi yani
kusota ubani manje
ndikuona mani 3
anonzi
Gimme.
vakusota wani ka ndani
aripo
komoi
ndani aripo
All right. Driver. Yeah? Pani wani karati rano so printa ku listo. Oh, are covered.
Then saying
Oh, list on okay. Tetsirane. Kati toto anaro pasa kumana. Yeah. At this time you won't get lost. But phone yangu. Acha, ilipa live.
manje angeke blushek. Angeke blushek.
Wathi usala ama-toll gate.
Ubhadala ama-toll gate. Hawu la itutu ufuna ukuphuma.
Yeah, I'm going to funeral straight to Baba. God is living right now.
Sokungcono.
Awumfozile, manje nangitshela angithembutshela ngihambela.
Kuphi yena umnet?
Uhlala lapho
Emaphephe.
Yabona into yakhe
Anyaqala ukuchayisa kunga ebusuku kanje.
employee
bengisebenzela khona hayi ukuthi ngicala ukuyazi kakunjani ngiyazi
Apha namhlanje i-50 time ayele
isakhulu
lami nyafa.
Saka, can you please hear now, guys? Driver, row a pass.
madala. Ngicela uze lana
Guys,
baba.
driver, chiro a pass kumana. Time ika. Time. Yeah. Yeah, tutora na umanje. Charlie, driver ngachi simza motikari ka. Sasa itakumane. My apology for the delays. All right. Patasika Pamagumo. The boat is now leaving now. It's going to Buhera. Okay. Driver is leaving. Row up as the driver. Time. Guys. He's leaving now for Buhera. So the deceased is in the trailer now. You can see the trailer. Dominate tuna. Akumana, driver jikumisa kusimuka chiko akumana. Driver. Chiro wapasi kamtara. Yeah? Yes. That's the end of life. Yo upenyi wachona. Ashaika asiya mzimai asiya wana. It's actually said kuti simuka kwa ari kuita. Akoya kuno ku South Africa. He thought he would work for his family. Died a very painful death. Another victim of crime also in South Africa. Let's just pray for the wife. Nevana wasiwa. Dopenyo wachona. As we are celebrating the Easter, some people will be mourning. It's going to be a very bad, a painful Easter. So let's pray for them. Vanhu vatinotakura everyday vakangofana nosesu ramangwana risikanwe zvingoda kuti ungogara wakagadzirira. Gone are the days yekuti unokumbukira munhu, unotsamwira munhu kuti handitaure nemi, upenyu hwemunhu uri mumaoko maMwari. Vana vatikanwe, panhasi tinomirira pano. As I mentioned to you, Kuti is a victim of crime in South Africa. And the family is broken. Mudzimai, vana vasiwa, church people, friends, they can't accept tindo zvakaitika. But nguva inenge yakwana. Saka ya toyachona mangono time dzachona kuti takuendesa board. We have tried our best. Takatora body names we Tuesday ku government. Nesrofa tesikuita tichita paperwork yese Wednesday. And today is Thursday, the board is going to Zimbabwe. Mazhinji vane mapalace vatadza kuendesa mabodies nenyaya yekuti holiday paperwork and so on. But I just want to thank God that He has given me the wisdom kuti ndinokwanisa kuva ne good relationship with all my departments. Government of South Africa, takaenda chida my health permit vanondiitira, my clearance yeku Zimbabwe vanondiitira, my health clearance. You know, some people they doubt kuti considering ndakatanga rini business. Ndakatanga rini business and now I'm building the empire. Vazhinji vanoudzwa kunzi mapepa apudere namunetsi within 2 days nenge taita. So chatinongonamata ndechekungoti dai Mwari atitungamire. We are not more driven by money, but I've got the heart of my people, Zimbabwean people. I love this type of job. It has a special place in my heart. Okay, so yeah, we'll end today. Vada kujoina mapolice. Just be patient with us. Just hold on. Driver wangu muhandisi hapa napa. Asokumana. Saka ndonya yachona. Please, vada kujoina mapolice. Yes, the deceased was an Adventist. It said they are still singing. They haven't yet accepted. You know, it's tough.